Welcome back to Naturalhub channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, sugar. It's in so many of the foods and drinks we consume daily, but do we really understand the full extent of its impact on our bodies? Join me as we unveil the dark side of sugar and explore its effects like never before. We all know that sugar is sweet, but what many of us don't realize is just how addictive it can be. Studies have shown that sugar can activate the same pleasure centers in the brain as drugs like cocaine, leading to cravings and dependency. But it's not just about addiction. Excessive sugar consumption has been linked to a myriad of health issues, from obesity and type 2 diabetes to heart disease and even certain types of cancer. Yet, despite these alarming facts, sugar continues to be a staple in many of our diets. The problem with sugar is that it provides empty calories, meaning it offers little to no nutritional value. When we consume too much sugar, it can lead to weight gain and a host of metabolic issues that can impact our overall health. So what can we do to combat the negative effects of sugar? It starts with awareness. By educating ourselves about the hidden sugars in our food and making conscious choices to reduce our intake, we can take control of our health and well-being. Reading labels, choosing whole foods over processed ones, and opting for healthier alternatives are just a few steps we can take towards a sugar-conscious lifestyle. Remember, knowledge is power. And by understanding the dark side of sugar, we can make informed decisions that benefit not only ourselves but also future generations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy.